Welcome back to AtcoPestControl.com. I am Bobby Ramirez. I'm going to show you how to set the easy trap. This is the T-Rex. The bait goes right here in the middle, as you can see. We use peanut butter. Success rate is 1000%. These ones are super easy. You just literally pull this down and it gets locked in place and you can set it down. It's the easy grip. It's modern, it's classic. These ones are great to use indoors. If you have kids, dogs, cats, you just put them in an area where they can't get to it and they're just so simple to use. The other ones can be a little more difficult, you know, especially if you're not dealing with them on a daily basis. But these ones are just super simple. The other way to set it is with your foot. Set it down where you want to put it and you just step on it. Boom. So if you're trying to catch Mickey, Minnie, whatever other rodents in your house, try these out. And if you're still having a problem and you can't get it under control, give us a call here at Atco Pest Control and we'd be happy to serve you, help you out. All right, thanks everybody.